How to make everyone can see your high school informations on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make everyone can see your high school informations on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and now click these three lines in the top corner and go down, click settings and then profile information, and here you will find your high school. Click this pen here and click this one, and here you will find public. Click on it and then just click save. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.